Hello, students. How are you? Am good. Okay, very good. Yay. Okay, students, are you okay? Are you happy? Did you have breakfast? Yes or no? What did you have for breakfast? I had chicken. Okay, very good. Yay. Okay, student, let's sing a song. Stand up, please. Do a warm up. Okay. I love my mommy. I love my mommy. I love my mommy. Yes, I do. I love my daddy. I love my daddy. I love my daddy. Yes, I do. I love my sister. I love my sister. I love my sister. Yes, I do. I love my brother. I love my brother. I love my brother. Yes, I do. I love my father. I love my father. I love my father. Yes, I do. I love my mother. I love my mother. I love my mother. Yes, I do. Do you love your father? Oh, daddy? Yes or no? Do you love your mother? Or your mom? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay, sit down. Very good. Good. So, we are going to look at family. Okay? So, our lesson today is family. Repeat after me. Family. Family. Okay, good. So let me share my screen. Wow, okay. Okay, wow, look at that. Wow, so beautiful. Repeat after me. Family. Again. Family. Okay, family. What is a family? A family is a group of people living together. Group of people living together. Okay, so we have family members. Yes or no? Oh, can you give me one member in your family? Yeah. Can you name one family member? Father. Very good. Yay. Ah, who else? Who want to answer? Yes. Im. Mother. Very good. Pa. Grandfather. Yay. Okay, so let's look at the family members. Repeat after me. Family members. Okay, my family. Oh, who is this? Repeat after me. Father. 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 Okay. Father. Next. Mother. 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 Okay, next. Grandmother. 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 Grandfather. 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 Okay. Next. brother, brother. Again, brother. Good. Sister, sister. Very good. Aunt, aunt. Okay, aunt is mommy's sister or daddy's sister. Okay. Okay, very good. Uncle, uncle. Yeah, uncle is mommy's brother or daddy's brother. Okay, your mother's brother or your father's brother. Okay, that's great. Okay, we also have cousin. Cousin, okay. Okay, one more time. Who is this? Sister. Very good. Next. Brother. Please, let's do together, okay? Brother. Grandfather. Grandfather, very good. Grandmother. Grandmother. Okay, grandmother. Oh, wow, holding a baby. Mother, very good, mother. Who? Wow. Father, yay, very good. Okay, student. Good, let me stop sharing. Okay, do you understand? Very good. Okay, now let's play a game. Simon says, okay. Simon says, stand up. Sit down. No, Simon didn't say that. Okay. Simon says, clap one. Clap two. Okay, very good. So you have to say only what Simon says you should do, okay? Only what Simon say, okay? Only what Simon says. Okay. Simon says, turn around. Sit down. Hey, you are out of the game. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, touch your head. Touch your nose. No. Clap one. Simon says, clap one. Simon says, clap two. Simon says, hands up. Hands down. No. Simon says, hands down. Simon says, hands up. Simon says, hands down. Simon says, hands up. Hands down. No. Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, student. So today we learn about family members, okay? Father, mother, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, and cousin. Okay, very good. So now, student, we're going to end here for today. Do you have any question? Yes or no? No. Okay, so now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Okay, goodbye. See you next time.